This company called DOVOH sent me this laser level.
Self-leveling laser level.
That is like bi-directional 4 ways.
360 degrees.
Puts out like 3 different lasers. And 4-plane laser level professional DOVOH. These things go for a couple $100 at least.
Friends and family, today I will be giving away one of these DOVOH lasers. Stay tuned to learn how you could win.
But they have a lot of great reviews, and so I'm going to unbox this and then hopefully use it in a few different projects. Now apparently you can use any tripod with it, and so I have this tripod that my dad gave me a long time ago that has been a great tripod, and I'm going to take this little phone thing off and we'll be able to mount it just directly on this thread. Let's open it up. Comes in a cool case. That's cool. Now, seems to me that this is the type of tool that you really need to keep safe, not like shake a bunch. You don't want to kick this thing, drop it down a hill or anything like that, because there's actually the level system within it that probably could get damaged and then wouldn't be working correctly. So it makes sense that there is a case for this. Oh wow, that's really cool. That's really cool.
First of all, welcome to another episode of Second Son Woodworks here on my YouTube channel. My name is Caleb, and I appreciate you joining today. And if you're intrigued by this tool, which it is a very nice tool, then stick around because you could win one for free. So stick around.
As you can see, it is really well laid out. It's got a number of different things and everything's
Things on things.
securely in here. They use styrofoam. So first off, it's got the user manual, which is really cool. It's in a number of different languages: English, Deutsch, French, Italian, Spanish, Chinese. That goes right in here. I like this little pouch for it.
You're not gonna believe how easy it is to win this DOVOH laser. The first step is to hit that subscribe button below and the little bell icon next to it. Do it. Do it right now.
This is like what it sits
Stick around and I'll show you the next step soon.
on. Wow.
But first, what makes this laser worth the money? High highlight, high accuracy. Versatile for multiple applications. Not to mention a 5-year warranty. Link below to purchase. And for a limited time, get 15% off the DOVOH K4 360 using code PFKLLH7N. Go get yourself one.
Now this thing sits like this. There's literally 4 lasers. Look at this thing. There's 2 on the top, or 1, 2, and then 1, 2.
The 360-degree laser level works on just about any tripod. Just make sure it has the normal tripod threads, and then you can screw it on.
Turn this on. You can see here it's got like a crazy little like laser thing. It's kind of hard to see on your end. Let's see if I can get it in better. Wow, maybe a different angle. It's really small. Very small. And then he's got this on 4 separate sides. Oh, there we go. Buttons is touchy. So it is locked.
I'll first be testing out this laser by hanging some simple shelves in my shop with some brackets that I had left over from a former roommate. He didn't want them, so now I'm going to use them in my shop. And I'm going to use the laser to make this whole process a lot easier.
Now, I found out the hard way that this thing can shine in your eyes and it hurts, so don't do that. And then it's also got the vertical, which you can't really see. You can see it right there. It's got one there and then one there. That is a lot. I mean, it's a lot of lasers.
4 lasers.
Like I said, they can hit you in the eye, so don't do that. Don't do that. Hard to see in this film. Let's take this back. You can see it over here. You can even see it over there.
Super powerful.
Next to my diving equipment. And over there. So it's definitely a strong laser. Kind of moves and it will start to beep at you if you're making the like pendulum that's inside of the laser swing, and you can actually feel it. It's moving around. And this is where it's like locked, so you can move it around. But if it's unlocked, which the lock's over on this side,
Next up, I will be using the laser to install some floating shelves in my attic loft with the help of my girlfriend, Eleanor. Thanks, Eleanor. You rock.
itself is super cut like bended is. There's like a big bulge right in the middle.
Oh, wow.
10, I want to just go 10 up. Just hold that there. It's nice that this thing.
The DOVOH laser made this entire process extremely easy, especially because the house where I am installing these shelves is not completely square. And we actually noticed that the loft had kind of a weird angle.
Maybe that's just
with
the floor's
regards to
uneven.
the floor and the wall, but
Yeah, that
we were
looks
able to
scary.
lock the laser and move it. And thank you, Dovo. Made it a lot easier.
Down a little.
Down a little, yeah. Do you calibrate it?
For those of you who have stuck around to this part of the video and who are still interested in winning one of these Dovo lasers, the next step to be entered in this contest is to follow the Dovo official Instagram account at Dovo_official. Go follow them now.
Oh, right. I guess it's not. Yeah.
Yeah, 9. Actually, why don't you come here? You hold it. No, and little more.
Now, the very last step in entering the contest to win this free Dovo 4 laser level
We have more game.
is to tag 2 friends below in the comment section. Just tag 2 friends with the @ symbol. Tag them right now. Do it, and then you'll be entered, and you could win a free Dovo laser.
Yeah, I don't want that.
Look at every one of them that comes. I know, you almost have to have it.
But like, oh, I know that. Woo, I know.
This one and the end of this.
Over here, more button.
That's really good.
For the last use of this Dovo laser, I will be installing some simple hooks in my garage to hang some skateboards, my longboard, shorter board, and just a regular skateboard. And I'm going to show you how easy it was to use the Dovo laser with my tripod to hang these hooks in a level fashion. Oh yeah, watch. But while I do that, I want to walk through the 3 different steps that you need to take to be entered in to this competition to win a free Dovo 4 laser level. First, subscribe to Second Son Woodworks YouTube channel. Do it now. Second, follow Dovo_official on Instagram. Do it now.
Did I ever tell you what my wood?
And lastly, tag 2 friends in the comment section below.
Supposed to be.
Do it now.
Attached yet?
3 easy steps to win a free Dovo laser. Let's see who wins. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye. Oh, and you have until August 20th to do these 3 things and be entered in the competition. Do it now.
Didn't end up using the spot because the truck's a little too long. And that other person parked like a dick.